Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my beautiful one in the house. Depend on where you are today. All weather is back again. Whenever you see all weather, meaning there's good news for you, there's information, there's advice, and things that are very, very important. I just want to quickly share this information with all my beautiful one in the house, especially with the mothers. This message is really for the mothers. Some days ago, something just happened that I am still asking myself how it happened concerning this TikTok. TikTok. Please, my ladies, my women, let's let us pay more attention to our children. When I was reading some comment, people were saying, "How can a mother?" Italians, they were telling, how can a mother or a father bought phone for a baby of 10 years old when we were a child? We were playing with a bambola, we were playing with all those toys. He said nowadays they buy phone for 10 years old children, 5 years old, this, that. People they were just making their comment. Yes, it is true that when we were a child, we were not opportune to be using phone, to use what our children are using now. Thank Baba God for the life we are living. It's just because we are able to provide it. That is why they are using it. If you are not capable, if you are not able to buy it, you can't buy it. But sometimes it is a joy of a mother to see her children growing up the way he or she was not brought up. If you are opportune to buy a car, I wish if, for example, your children can drive a car, if you are opportune, if you have that money to buy car for your baby, for your children, you will be happy to do it. Do you know why? Because you were not opportune. You were not born with a silver spoon. So guys, buying phone for 10 years old children, for me, I'm not against it. It's just for us, the mother or the father, to pay more attention to our children. If, for example, they are going to the page they're not supposed to go, you want them, my daughter, if you do this thing again, I will collect the phone from you. Nothing next week, you won't get your phone. This is what I want. This is what. If you pay more attention, at least your children will be able to abide to what you are telling them. A baby of 10 years old went to the father, "Daddy, Dami Yashentura, give me bet. I want to become a TikTok star." The father thought she's playing as usual. He gave the daughter the Ashentura, the bet. Then the girl now went to bathroom and be performing TikTok star. He want to become TikTok star. Before you know it, the baby gave up. This thing I wish is in Africa. People will be thinking, hey, Africa people. Just look at what happened to this Italian baby. It's a bad news. She was not sick. Just went to the father, "Daddy, please give me a bet. I want to become a TikTok star." Before you know it, the baby used it to round her neck. Start drawing it. Before you know it, the baby gave up. It's a bad story. Please, my beautiful ladies in the house, I want us to pay more attention to our children. Don't think maybe you are just relaxing in your parlor. Your children, they are in a balcony, they are playing. Never you do that. When you are there, they can play. If you are not there, ask them to be where you are. And if at all they are there, time to time you have to be watching them, looking what they are doing. You have to pay more attention to them. And know God is always with us. That one will not be our portion. Death can never be our portion. Sickness can never be our portion. Before you go out in the morning, commit your activities into God's hand. I know God is always with us. God is always with us. But we need to do our best. That's for that. The second point I would like to talk about, we Africans in Europe, please, we need to be careful. If you want to get more information, just go to Chronaca Masharatese. You will see those things I'm telling you. A guy just wake up, a guy of 22 years old just wake up. He want to become second trainee. Oh my God. For those of us who don't know who don't know who is a trainee, he is the guy that we are shooting people when one of our brothers slaughter their people inside luggage. He said he want to become second of that boy. So he is going to be killing people, he's going to be making casino. How is it possible? Thank God that it was arrested by the police. This thing that I'm saying now is not even only that city or only that boy. They have it just like a group. For those of us who live in this city, nothing more. Just hold on a moment, please. Okay. Okay, this thing happened in Savona. That's the city. Then people that live in Bologna, you have to be very very careful. Those people, they are not happy with human being. I don't know. The boy did not classify. He didn't classify if it is black or if it is Nero, if it is Italian. So he just said he want to become second of this boy. You know what I mean? So uh people that live in Bologna, they have this group. It's just like a group. It's just like a group. They have those bad people. Let me use that way. Use that word. In Genova, Torino, Cagliari, Forlì, Cesena, Palermo, Perugia, Bologna, and Cornell. These are the city that those people are. Please guys, if you know you live in this city, you have to be very very careful. If you see that someone is acting somehow, just pick razor, just take your things and move from that place. I just want to quickly share this information. For more information, if you want to know what I'm talking about, go to Chronaca Masharatese. You will get all the information there. Please be careful. Let me leave you. If today is your first time of seeing my video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't fail to hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify, to share and to like my video. And if you like my video, don't fail to give me thumbs up just for encouragement. As you do that, may God continue to bless you and your household. Amen.